Hey everybody, welcome back to another round of Friday Funnies. Today is Friday, October 17th, and that is National Pasta Day. Who could ask for a better day? So here we go. Why did the pasta go to the casino?
I don't know why.
To play the penne slots. What do you call a fake noodle?
I have no idea.
An impasta. And why did the spaghetti blush?
It's a hard one. I don't know.
It's all the meatballs. We want to wish a happy 18th birthday to Samantha and congratulations to Sarah and Sam and Nick and Hannah. We wish everybody the very best weekend and we will see you all next week for another round of Friday Funnies. Bye now.